Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching. On my to-do list today, I really wanted to do a general cleaning of my house. I had some dusting that needed to be done as well as some laundry, but I also really wanted to make sure that I disinfected all of Riley's toys. With the flu being passed around, I really wanted to minimize the amount of germs that were being passed. So make sure to stay to the end of the video because I will be sharing a non-toxic toy cleaner. Before we jump into today's video, this is a collab with Yesenia from Yesenia, A Mom's Life, so I'm going to let her introduce herself right now.
I'm Yesenia from Yesenia, A Mom's Life. I am a wife and a mom of 3 kids. That's 11, 9, and 6. I post 3 to 4 times a week. I mainly do cleaning videos, grocery hauls, DIYs, and decor. So if this is the kind of content that you like, don't forget to go over and check me out after you finish watching this beauty's video. And comment down below. Let me know you came over from her channel so I can say hi.
To reminisce this 'cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me.
If you are coming over from Yesenia's channel, hi, my name is Nia and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. I'm a working mom with a 2.5-year-old little girl named Riley, and here on my channel I post tons of cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos, so if you enjoy that type of content, please consider subscribing. Also make sure to introduce yourself below because I love chatting with you guys in the comments.
Can't say I like it, but I can fight it. Some things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go, it's not easy, you know. Some things are not meant to be, let's skip the apologies. Ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this 'cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that.
Dusting is definitely one of those chores that I tend to forget to do. What is one chore that you tend to forget to do around your house? Let me know in the comments below.
breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him.
This is probably not the best shirt to wear while doing this, but I really wanted to disinfect Riley's bath toys, so I am adding some hot water to her bath and then pouring in some bleach and just letting all of her bath toys soak. This is really going to help when it comes to any like mildew and things like that that do tend to collect on kids' bath toys.
You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're gray and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good in the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts.
So before I sweep or anything in here, you could see that the grout here is starting to look a little bit moldy. I think it's basically just from like water getting outside of the tub. So I'm gonna go in with my Clorox clinging bleach. I've mentioned it numerous times when I'm talking about the grout in between the tiles, which I clearly need to do it again, but I'm gonna see how well it works down here first. I'm gonna leave it on for about maybe 10-20 minutes and then come back in here and then mop and finish. Then I'm gonna come back in here and mop and finish up the bathroom. Now moving on to the non-toxic toy cleaner, you're gonna need some distilled white vinegar, an empty spray bottle, some water, and some essential oils. The essential oil is optional, but I know the vinegar smell can be pretty strong, so this is going to help with that. And what you're gonna do is add 1 part water to 1 part vinegar. I ended up going with a cup of each, and then I added a couple of drops of my essential oil.
Reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights.
If you are new to my channel, then Riley had just started going to daycare maybe about a month and a half, so we are going through the whole cycle of really building up her immune system. I feel like she is sick all the time, and once we get her feeling better again, within the next couple weeks she's sick all over again. So I really wanted to focus on disinfecting all of her toys, especially her like play kitchen food, because that's the type of stuff that she puts in her mouth, and I don't want all of the germs to just keep circulating and keeping her sick. If you have little ones, do they go to daycare? And if so, is there anything that you do to help prevent them from getting sick?
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the
had been soaking in the water for some time. So I wanted to let that out, and then basically what I'm going to end up doing is spraying it all down with some more hot water and then putting everything back. And then I'm also going to wipe off the Clorox bleach off the tile as well as down near the floor. Riley is quite the helper, and if you've been around for some time now, you know that she loves helping me clean, and she always says the cutest little thing. She'll always say, "Mommy, I help you." So I figured she would help me dust, and then we're also going to vacuum her room as well.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before heading out, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure to go check out Yesenia's channel. I will have her video linked down below. And I will catch you guys in a couple of days in another video. Bye.
I told you